How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So if you want to fix the Snapchat support code SS06, then if you want to fix that, first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked, you need to open up your Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and go for the search. And under the search, you need to search for Snapchat. Once you've searched for the Snapchat on your Play Store, you just need to open up that. And if you have an update, tap on update, because if you have any updates under the application, then you will have that lagging or that support code or any of that options, right? So you just need to update, and once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. And once you've updated, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to open up your settings, scroll down, go for the apps, tap on see all apps, go for search, which is on the upper right, search for Snapchat, tap on storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to again clear the cache on your application also. So open up your application, go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and go for settings, which is on the upper right, scroll all the way down, and here also you will have clear cache. Tap on clear cache and tap on continue, and your cache will be cleared and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to tap and hold on to that Snapchat, and you just need to delete or uninstall the application. And once you've uninstalled, you just need to again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and try to log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. So these were the few fixes on how to fix the Snapchat support code SS06. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.